Welcome to our video tutorial on optimizing aspect ratios for various platforms using CapCut video editing. In this tutorial, we'll navigate through the optimal aspect ratios for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Please hit the subscribe button as we begin. Step 1. Open CapCut and import the video file that you need to resize. Step 2. Decide the aspect ratio for your video platforms. Specify or resize according to your platform. Step 3. Export and share customized export settings. Now that your video is perfectly resized and enhanced, it's time to export it. That was a simple guide on how to set video aspect ratios on different platforms. That is awesome, right? Please hit the subscribe button and follow our weekly updates.